Welcome to the chapter that will introduce the tools for laying the original Meldorfer. First of all, we are working with common tools that every craftsman must have on site when working on the construction site. We need split level of different lengths, folding rulers, pencil, cutter knife and chalk line, hand brush, and then it gets a little bit more special for the laying of Meldorfer flat-facing bricks. Firstly, we need the special curved paintbrush, optionally in different thickness for the joint creating. I have 10 and 50 millimeters here. Furthermore, we need the Meldorfer tooth trowel for laying our product. The Meldorfer tooth trowel is characterized by the fact that the teeth have different dimensions. We have a 6 mm long tooth and a 4 mm distance between the teeth. That ensures an optimal material application of the bonding mortar. Furthermore, we have our Meldorfer angle cutter. With the Meldorfer angle cutter, it is possible to cut very special, very fast and professional the flat-facing bricks in the right dimension. It is much easier, as you have just seen, to cut these flat-facing bricks than, for example, to cut solid bricks or clinker brick slips, for which you need electricity. You need also a flex and water cooling. In case of our original Meldorfer, the cut is done in a very short time. This is about the tools you need for laying.